Yo guys, what is up? This is actually my first video, and there's not gonna be a thumbnail because yeah, I just don't want it, and I'm too busy. And some people are like waiting on me to make videos, like so. The hell? I just got. I swear if I. No way! I just lost a bag full of broccoli because of that stupid thing, bro. Yeah, it's alright. I just got some more bags. This mystery bag has some crossbows with unloaded RPGs. So yeah, credits to Scooby for this video, but we're gonna be doing the mystery bag challenge. Do you want this? So basically, I'm gonna go up to them and be like, "Yo, do you want the grappler or a mystery bag?" And yeah, whatever the one they choose. I have a second grappler, so I'm not gonna use the other one. But yeah, I'm pretty poor right now, as you could see. I could make like a bag full of sticks. That could be a mystery bag. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna troll them. I'm gonna make them think that the bag is full of sticks, but in reality, the bag actually has like stuff in it. Get this here real quick. Okay, let's take this one. Maybe I'll do the Valentine's chocolate, but I don't think. So. It's taking a long time, bro. Bro, bloody me, bro. Sandal is up.
Green backpack for soup face.
Hi guys,
Go to cosmetics if you want a mystery bag.
This is
If you want a mystery bag, go to cosmetics area. If you want a mystery bag, go to cosmetics. If you want a mystery bag, go to cosmetics. You want a mystery bag? Okay, so wait. Do you want the bag or the grappler? Bag? Okay. Open up the bag. Open up the bag. Let's see what's in it.
Hey, who wants this RPG?
I won't take, bro. I'm the one who made the bag.
Okay.
Come on, keep going.
Oh, there's the bag.
Yeah, I got it. Do you think this was better than the grappler?
Grab it quick.
Okay.
Like really, only at one.
I'll trade this. I'll trade this.
Yes,
Wait, did bro
somebody
get me two grappling hooks?
Wait, can I
Get me two grappling hooks?
wait? Can I trade this with you? Can I trade this?
Give my shaker spot.
Wait, can I trade this?
Two grappling hooks. Give my shaker spot.
Don't get back his.
All right, gotta make another bag. All right. This next bag is only gonna have one item. Okay. I'm only doing troll bags because I don't have enough money to actually give people like good bags. A bone, and then sticks. You know. I'm a troll. I'm a troll. We'll just put a bone. backpack only. That's fine. And then put another bone. Okay, I got no money. Alright, let's go. This is gonna be another troll bag, okay guys?
Wait, can we dip it?
I beat him once, but then he left the server straight away.
Go to cosmetics if you want a mystery bag.
What's up, you men? And then he like just don't know who.
Go to cosmetics if you want a mystery bag.
And
You want a mystery bag?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna give you a choice here. Do you want the mystery bag or the grappler?
Mr. Bag.
Okay. Open it up.
yo,
Oh, my favorite.
Do you think
Thank
this
you,
was
mister.
worse or better than the grappler?
Yeah.
Think it's better?
This was my favorite. This is my favorite.
You like this bag?
Yeah.
Okay. Was it better than the
Thank you,
grappler?
mister. Yeah, better than the grappler.
Alright.
I'll give you a suitcase for 3 crackers.
Deal.
Do you want that?
That is not a good deal, bro.
It's a suit.
fuck.
No. I'll have an apple too. Can I have an apple too?
No, just
Bro,
crackers.
You.
Do you want to You want to get it? Want to get
Where's the 3 crackers, bro?
I want OG stuff.
Get him out.
Where's the 3
Let's
crackers?
be friends real quick.
Wait, who said they were gonna give?
Kevin,
Who said they were gonna get free OG stuff?
I want to see the crackers, bro.
This twice,
Yeah, I have every OG backpack now.
and then this twice.
Where's the
Y'all
crackers, bro?
not like me. Y'all not like me,
Alright,
yo.
look, see,
Y'all not
I
like me. I don't got everything in the game,
and
bro.
then-
I used to have every single OG item, but I gave them away.
So what do you have? So
Yeah, dude. Shit.
I have everything. Yo, somebody got a crossbow. Somebody got
Oh my god!
OG bag. Who wants a free OG bag?
Me.
Where's the
I said it first. Pink, I said it first. I said it first.
You want a free OG bag?
Yeah.
Big blue, big blue.
How about no?
Okay. Do you want this mystery bag or the
I
grappler?
really want one.
What's inside of the mystery bag?
That's what the mystery is. You don't know what's inside it. Do you want it, the grappler or
Bro,
mystery?
you're so glitchy. I'm not giving you nothing.
Bro.
Let me see.
I'm not taking it out.
Oh.
Then I don't
Hey
trust
you. You. Blue. Do you want this mystery bag or the grappler?
OG trade. Who wants to do an
Okay.
OG trade?
I don't really care.
Mister, can you guys help me? I'm a stupid. I don't know how to get out.
Who wants to do an OG trade? Who wants to do an OG trade?
Here,
I
wait.
need an apple.
Okay,
Do you
come on.
Hey,
I need an apple.
hey, Red.
Anybody have an apple?
Red, do you want the grappler or the free OG? Do you want a grappler or a mystery bag?
Me?
I want an apple.
Does anybody
Just killed himself. Hey, Black.
Hey, two kids, do you want to do OG trade?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, add me, come on.
Black, do you want this mystery bag or the grappler?
Somebody give me an apple, please.
The mystery bag? Okay, come here.
Somebody give me an apple, please.
Open it up.
Okay,
Let's see
join
what's
me.
inside.
Join me, alright?
It was never a
Nothing.
mystery bag. It was a
Give me
free
an
bag.
apple. Can you give me an apple, please? Please.
Yo, y'all
I
want
so
so heavy, bro.
I want an apple.
Heavy.
Yeah.
Ow.
A white one.
Got it.
Good
I
girl.
don't have one.
Thank you.
I got the black one.
I
There's probably nothing in there.
want an apple. Can somebody give
It's
me
like
an
a
apple?
Can I have a rare bag?
Yeah, the guy that took that 20 backpack, there's nothing that sticks in there, you dummy.
Can somebody give me an apple, please?
Wait, this is no PvP, right?
Okay,
Yeah.
this is okay,
Back.
Can somebody give me an apple, please?
Hey, Red, Do you want to see what's in this mystery bag or the grappler?
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
Do you want to see what's in the mystery bag or the grappler?
Mystery. bag.
Was that better than the grappler?
Mystery bag. I want to see what's in the mystery bag.
There's nothing.
Bro,
Grappler. I want the grappler.
Nah, but you already made your decision, buddy.
That's the point of the game.
No, I didn't, bro. I honestly didn't.
Bro, that's the point of the game. You can't make two choices. You have to choose one.
You want to see what's in the mystery bag? You want to see what's in the mystery bag?
There's nothing. I can tell how light it is.
They don't love. They don't love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you.
Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you.
Don't call me a fucking stupid kid.
Bye, cry. Nobody's selling stuff in no PvP servers today, so I can only put sticks. I'm gonna just put one stick. Wait! They don't know you, don't know you. Wait! They don't know you. Ooh, what's in here?
Alright, now grab your rocket. You're in my Pokemon.
Bro, what did he do?
He said he's gonna molest me, bro.
Nothing. You trying to explode me? No, I tried selling you.
Where'd my flashlight backpack go? Where'd my flashlight backpack go? I had one
He's
before.
trying to molest me. He's trying to molest me.
Monkey man.
He's trying to molest me. He's trying to molest me.
This is no PvP.
He's trying to molest me.
This is no PvP. He can't do anything to you.
Yeah, he can. He could touch my dick and start stroking it.
Well, okay, bro.
What kind of fully gay shit are you on?
Did he?
Yo, he's
give me
trying to
this.
touch my
Flash a
penis.
mod.
He's trying to touch my penis.
Mod application.
How?
Holy visual.
In the
Type in,
Discord, I'm
just type in like a paragraph. Type in like a paragraph and then.
I need someone to. Oh, let me look in the Discord quick. Come on, my hand is crippled. Easy.
Go to cosmetics if you want a mystery. If you want to see what's in a mystery bag. Okay, I'm gonna give you two choices: whatever's inside of the mystery bag, or the grappler. Okay, you want to see what's inside? You got a super rare bag.
I got scammed.
Nah, no scam. That was not a scam, bro. That was literally legit.
I hope no one thinks my dick.
Okay.
I'm gonna mind.
I'm gonna do an OG item now. OG item or two grapplers.
I told myself single beatdown. Can someone sell something? Hey guys, I'm gonna go have a battle to the death with
said a
bad
word, bad boy.
I wanna come.
Who wants to watch me do a battle? Who wants to watch me have a battle of death with the angler? Me.
Guys,
All right, I'm the gold
go
stick guy.
to cosmetics if you want to see.
I'm gonna go fight the angler.
Go to cosmetics if you want hookshot. Yeah, my game froze right after I said it. Alright, that's the going on my main. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. But yeah, as I was saying, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Yeah. I'm gonna make my second video soon. I'm sorry I took so long for this one. Bye bye!